Hi, my name is Sarah, and I have a hard time pooping. My doctor says that this is called constipation. Constipation is when you can't poop or if it hurts to poop. When we eat, food travels from our mouth to our bellies, and then finally to our bottoms. Our body uses the energy from our food, and what is left over is poop. Our bottoms have a sensor that lets us know when it is time to poop. When we ignore the sensor too many times, it can slow down or stop working. This means you may not poop as often or may not feel like you need to go even though there is poop there. This can cause big painful poops, poop accidents, or belly aches. Good news is that we can make it better. One thing you can do is sit on the toilet 2 times a day for 5 minutes at a time after a meal. Your parents can help you take your medicine as prescribed by your doctor. If you feel your sensor go off, stop what you are doing and find a bathroom. Other things you can try are drinking more water, being active, and eating more fruits and veggies. But most importantly, be sure to listen to your sensor. Wow, after all that, I feel so much better. Hope you do too.